Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, November 23rd, 2020. Well, we start off this morning on a very wet note with very heavy rainfall marching through the region, now reaching the coast and starting to push through the New York City metro and off the New Jersey coast and producing some very impressive rainfall over Long Island and Connecticut. The good news is that all this rainfall is moving quickly. The bad news is that it's happening during the start of your morning rush hour. So not exactly the best weather conditions to kick off the week, but don't worry, this will all be gone by this afternoon. Temperatures this morning range from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior. You can see the cold front back here and the temperatures falling as a result. Ahead of the cold front, temperatures range from the mid to upper 50s. We even had a few lower 60s earlier this morning. That is pretty much going to be our high temperatures. Temperatures are going to be falling through the 40s for the rest of the day and into the 30s over the northern interior till we get to this evening. Tomorrow morning it's going to be rather chilly, but it will be dry. When we take a look at our surface map, there's our cold front with waves of low pressure pushing its way towards the coast. And on the radar you can see our heaviest rainfall starting to push off the New Jersey shore, starting to push through New York City and exit. Long Island, you got periods of rain all the way on through about 10 a.m. this morning. Same thing for Connecticut, and then we start to clear out by around 11 a.m. Everyone starts to dry out completely by, I'd say, about noon. So, when we take a look at our infrared satellite picture, you can see all those cold cloud tops here right along the coast, which essentially is supporting some very strong lifting. The colder the cloud top, the stronger the lifting, thus the heavier the rainfall. As you look off further to our west, you can see tranquil conditions taking shape, and then we have another little pest starting to organize over the northern Rockies. That's going to be a real issue for us by the time we get to Thanksgiving. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Periods of rain this morning, clearing out this afternoon. Temperatures will be falling through the 50s, 40s, and 30s this afternoon as cold air builds in. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, look for scattered cloud cover with lows in the lower to mid 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, high pressure and control with clear skies. Highs in the upper 30s to mid 40s throughout the region. On Wednesday, high pressure starts to exit. Look for increasing cloud cover. Lows in the mid to upper 30s. Highs in the upper 40s to mid 50s. On Thanksgiving, this low pressure system will be moving through with periods of rain, especially in the morning hours, clearing out towards the mid to late afternoon hours. Look for temperatures on Thanksgiving to range from the mid 40s to lower 50s for lows and upper 40s to mid 50s for highs, upper 50s right along the immediate coast before they start to fall as well. On Friday, look for clearing skies with lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the lower to mid 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. On Saturday, high pressure and control with clear skies, lows in the upper 30s to mid 40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. Look for high temperatures to range from the upper 40s to mid 50s. On Sunday, high pressure and control, I don't agree with this. Pretty much we're looking at scattered cloud cover. Look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid 40s. And on Monday, an area of low pressure will be approaching with periods of rain, possibly a little bit of a wintry mix developing around the Poconos as well at the start of this storm. But everyone will transition over to rain with lows in the mid 30s to lower 40s for lows and highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.